Today we are discussing about how we can use a MATLAB and the Simulink software for the calculation of the motor power and the battery as well as the range of the vehicle. So for that we will discuss first MATLAB. What is MATLAB? MATLAB is also called as Matrix Laboratory. So in this we can program our code and after running we can get a particular output. So let's start with this. How to add or how to program a summation in a MATLAB. If we are having 2 and we have to add it 2 plus 3, then it is in a editor form. But if we are typing 2 plus 3 in a command window, it will give us a answer, that is 5. But in a editor, if we are giving a is equal to 3, then b is equal to 2, and if we say that add these 2, then we will having an answer. So for that we have to save the file. So I will save the file first. That is sample. Okay. So the answer is 5. Similarly, we can multiply this. So the answer is 3 into 2 is 6. So in a command window we get an answer for a particular editor view. It is a script. What is meant by script? This is a program for which we are doing an operation or which we are running a loop to get a particular results. So if we have to place a matrix, that is A is equal to square bracket 1 1 1, and if we have to transpose it, then we will give A dash. So let's see what is the output. So here is the output. It is a row matrix is converted into the column matrix. In a similar manner, we can change the column matrix into a row matrix. It's all about the editor. If we have to move further, we have a Simulink. So here a Simulink. Then we will choose a blank model. Simulink is a mathematical modeling version to produce or to connect more than 3 and 4 constant values or the terminals to derive the output in a most efficient way. So how to call a block in a Simulink? This is a library browser for a Simulink operation. Here we are having sources like constant, digital clock, from file, from workspace, input, then step, sine wave. In a sink we are having a display, floating scope, to workspace. So let's see this one by one. I will close this. How to call that block? To call the block, double click on this and put the constant block. Constant block is in the Simulink, also in HDL coder, also in DSP system toolbox, HDL support, DSP system toolbox. So if I call a constant block, then it will look like this square block. After double clicking it, I can change the value of the block to a number. So let's take a similar example as we keep in a MATLAB, that is 2 plus 3. So 2 is a constant block. Then we will add the summation, that is sum block, or irrespective to that we will take addition block, that is add. So it gets similar simple to convert into the addition form. Then we will again put one constant block. So we change this value to a 3. Then we will add this to this. So now we are having a constant one, that is constant 2. We will change the title of that constant block by double clicking just constant and place a number, that is 1. Also we can change this number to, and we will call a display block, that is display. To join a particular block we have the command, or we can just drag this arrow to another arrow, so it will get easily joined. After the joining we can run this. So here you can see that the value 5, it comes from the addition of these 2 and 3. Similar manner we can delete the addition and call the product block. After calling the product block we can connect this product block to a constant block, and we can join this product into a display. So after running we will get a value, that is 6. If we want to plot the graph for this, then we have to call this scope block. Scope block it gives us a graphical representation of a particular domain. So after double clicking this we will get, and after running we will get a value, that is 6. So I hope you guys are aware of this Simulink and the MATLAB. If you are not, then please visit a official website of the MATLAB, that is MathWork, and please do 2 courses, that is MATLAB on RAM and Simulink on RAM. to get a precise knowledge about this Simulink and the MATLAB programming, so that you can also do a modeling with me in this course. So see you in the next chapter.